So Nikhil purchased his phone finally.
And I think the only difference is like the camera battery.
Yes.
So yeah. And also these people are very shy. They don't like getting in the camera. So yes. And yes, we have the watches.
256 or 256.
So yes guys, we're done. Yeah. Sorry, my what? So guys, we are here at the Apple store and we are about to buy an iPhone in Korea. Just check it out. It's a very big Apple store. Just check it out. Yeah. So I'm looking at the 16 Pro or Pro Max. So guys, we're at the Apple store at IFC and we're gonna take a look at the phones, right? Yes, it's a big store in IFC Mall if you're coming to the Yeouido station in Seoul. So yes, let's see how our experience is from the Seoul store. And yeah, hoping everything goes well. So guys, we're just checking the 16 Pro Max, right? And the 16 Pro, right? And I think the only difference is like the camera battery.
Yes.
Okay. So I think we should go for 16 Pro Max, right?
I suggest you go for it.
And see, there is no wires, right? Guys, you can literally pick it up. I think this is a sign of a very high trust society, right? This is the new color.
But I think we'll go with this.
But I think we are planning to either go with this, like natural titanium, right? Or probably, oh, how's this, Deepu? No. Or this one. I think I like this, no?
I don't like it.
Okay.
See all the scratches.
Yeah, I think so. So we just probably natural titanium. Yeah. I think I'm inclined towards natural titanium, so yeah. But I also like white. So yeah. I think they can tell us the price after the tax refund. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah, do you speak English,
Yeah,
by the way?
yeah.
15 to 16, what is the major difference?
15에서 16 Pro 레벨로? You mean 15 Pro to 16 Pro, right?
Yeah.
No, just want to check like what are the new features or anything.
So
Yeah. So guys, we are actually buying which one, by the way?
Pro Max real titanium.
So yes guys, we are buying a phone in Seoul, right? And he's helping us, so we'll be there, yeah? I think, what's your good name? Like, if you don't mind? Your good name?
Oh, my name is Young.
Yang. So Young's really helping us and just wanted to
Thank you.
give a shout out to Young.
You have Pro Max.
I think I'm Pro Max. Because it's larger, it fits my hands. I think I have big hands. Can you show your hands? Yeah, so...
It does not fit my hand.
Yeah, so it does not fit her hands as well.
Also, do you need Apple? So, iPhone 16 Pro Max, 256 gig, this one.
So we also got the Apple Care. I think hopefully it works well in India or internationally. So yeah guys, we've got it. And yeah, so we are ready and we'll just make the payment. Okay, thank you. So guys, we're done with the shopping. I just want to say hi to Deepu. Yes, that's the most fake hi I've ever seen. So yes, this is the IFC Mall and this is the Apple store. So we have already bought a phone and yeah, I think we're gonna get going, right? Okay, let's go. And I've also got a new bag, guys. It's my baby. So guys, they have all these accessories and yes, if you want Belkin, and a lot of people also use apply screen guards on their phone. And yes, they have all the products here. And also these people are very shy. They don't like getting in the camera. So yes, and yes, we have the watches. If you want, or the bands. So yeah, it's a big store. How? Yeah, I think it's...
There's a locker also.
Yeah. Oh, anyone there? Yes, I am. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. And I actually wanted to show you the breakup of how much we paid. After this price, I also got some tax refund, and I will make a video on the whole tax refund experience and what is the best way to do it. And yeah, stay tuned for that. The buying experience was super nice. And also guys, a lot of you are watching the videos and the channel. Since it's a new channel, you know, I would highly encourage you to subscribe. So if you are watching the video and somehow you like it, please subscribe. I will bring more quality content. And in the coming weeks, I'm going to bring you more videos from Korea, and a lot more is coming. So guys, yeah, this was the experience at Apple Store, and I would highly recommend you buy it from here. Yeah, just the phones again. So yeah, this is the one that we selected, but if you want anything, yeah, so I think we'll be going. Thank you. So yes guys, we're done. Yeah?
I know your Yeouido ID.
Sorry, my what?